it starts out with the fact that we're in Canada. And Canada is just one of those places where all the good stereotypes are true. There's still wild, adventurous, natural landscapes that you can be in, and also the whole friendly Canadian stereotype is completely true. And you can find all of those things in Powell River, but it's not some big city, it's not crowded, it's not busy. It's this home away from home, a place where you can feel comfortable and relaxed, and where people will greet you and talk to you and invite you to be part of the community, to be part of Canadian culture and life.